Welcome to San Academy Pallikaranai, Maths and Mathematics. We are going to learn new chapter, circles. Chapter 10, circles. So, as we know that one, chapter 10, circles, first part 1. So, let me see what we are going to learn in this chapter. First one is identifying segments and lines intersect and use properties of tangent. So, we are going to learn new word is called as a tangent that may based on their properties. Based on that only we are going to solve this exercise. So, let me see the what is a circle. Set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a given point called a center of the circle. A circle with center P is called a circle. As we know that one circle will have the center and radius, it's called a center of a circle. The distance from the center to be the point on the circle is called the radius of the circle. You know, whenever the circle is there, the center and the distance from the circle and then its point is called a radius of the circle. When two circles are congruent, when they are in the same radius, then it is called as a two circles are congruent. Now let me see what is a diameter. As we know that when we learned in class 4, 5th, 6th and all diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. It passes through the center of the circle. And then half of the circle is called a radius. And this is called center of a circle, the point. The terms radius and diameter you know very well already. So now this is a PQ is called as PS is called as a chord of a circle and PR is called as a diameter of a circle. So what is the difference between diameter and chord? Chord will be diameter also called as a chord only. But all chords are not diameter, but all diameters are chord. Should remember. Okay, because which one is passes through the center of a circle only is called as a which chord? A chord passes through the center of a circle is called only diameter, we'll say. And half of the circle you know very well already I told it is called as a radius of a circle. It will be twice the twice diameter will be twice the radius and radius will be half of the diameter. Now let me see what is a tangent, what is a secant. That is a very important property in this chapter. A secant is nothing but a secant is a line that intersects a circle in 2 points. This is a secant. But if you see this line is touching at the circle at one point, then what is the difference with this is a secant, then it is called as a tangent. What is that called? Tangent. This is a secant of a line and this is a tangent of a line. These two are called as a secant and tangent of a circle. Okay, let me see the, can you able to identify which are the tangents here? Yes, this one is a tangent, this one is a tangent. These both are called as external tangents. If the two circles, in a circle, we can draw many tangents because circle has infinite points, set of points. So, you can draw many tangents we can draw. But when the two circles, what will happen, it may be congruent or not congruent also. We can draw externally two tangents and internally we can draw two tangents. These are called as internally touching. This is also tangent only. Then this two this that line is touching two circles at the exterior one point only. So it is a tangent. This is also tangent. This is called internal tangents. This is called external tangents. Okay. Should remember it is not there in a textbook, but these are very important. Sometimes the circle also will have like this. It will be intersect. Then we can draw how many tangents? Here also two tangents we can draw. Suppose it will be exactly one point. Then how many tangents we can draw? Means three tangents we can draw. So if it is exactly touching at two circles at exactly touching at one point is called three tangents. If it is non-touching, these both are non-touching, it will internally two, external two, then four tangents. If it is intersecting at two distinct points, then two tangents we can draw. So this is if they are not intersecting internally, it is externally. Internally there is no tangents, no tangents. So you should remember very well. So I hope you all understood. Thank you students.